read your textbook. Here Febina borrow 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at simple interest, and Radha borrows the same amount for the same time period at 10% per annum compounded annually. Who pay more interest and by how much? Here two persons, one is Febina and Radha borrowed money. Then Febina borrows 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at this simple interest. Febina borrowed money for a simple interest, and here Radha borrows the same amount. Radha also borrow the same amount for the same time period, but here what is change? Rate here 10%, then Febina how many percentage? 12%. Then look at this interest compounded annually. This compound interest, this is simple interest. Then what is the question? Who pay more interest and by how much? Then first we can find out simple interest on 12,500 rupees. What is the rate? 12% per annum for 3 years. So we can write question number 3. Simple interest on rupees 12%, 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years. Then we know formula P into R. Simple interest is equal to P into R into T by 100. Then apply the values. Then simple interest is equal to P. What is the P here? 12,500 into R 12% T 3 years by 100. This 100 to 0 and this 2 0 will cut, then balance 125 and 12 into 3 20 36. Then we can multiply 125 multiply which number? 36 means 12 3s are 36. Then 0. Then look here 6 2s are 12 plus 3 15 carry 1, 6 into 1 6 6 plus 1 7. Then 3 5s are 15, then write 5 and carry 1, then 3 2 6, 3 2s are 6 6 plus 1 7, then 3 1s are 3, then add 0 0. What is simple interest here? Rupees 4,500. $4,500 simple interest. And next this we can write for Febina. Then next for Radha. Then here same amount, same and time also same, but rate how many percentage? 10%. So we can write P is equal to 12,500 and R how many percentage? 10%. N is equal to 3 years. Here we use formula. What is formula? A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole raised to n. This compound, find out compound, compound interest find out for annually. Then A is equal to, what is P? 12,500. Then 1 plus R, which number? R is equal to 10 by 100 whole raised to which number? Whole raised to n. N is equal to which number? 3. Here interest compounded annually and 1 plus, look, 10 by 100. What is the simplest form of 10 by 100? 1 by 10 whole raised to 3. Then look here. $12,500. Then common denominator we take as 10. Then 10 into 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11 by 10 whole raised to 3. Then look, 12,500. Multiply, look, 11 by 10 whole raised to 3. So how many times repeat this? 3 times. 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. How many 0 we can cut? 2 0. And this number divided by this 125 and 10 divided by which number? 5. So how many times? 2 times. 5, then 2 times, and how many times 5 in 125? 25 times. Then this numbers 25 into 11 into 11 into 11 into 11 divided by 2. Then what is its answer? Its answer total, what is this number? This 4 number multiply and divided by 2. Then you will get 16,637 decimal 5 rupees. What is multiply which numbers? This 11 into 11 into 11 into 25, then after divided by 2. Then you will get what is 60,637 decimal 50. The next this is 3 years amount. Then we can find out compound interest. Compound interest CI. Compound interest is equal to amount or A minus P. Here what is A? 16,637 decimal 50 minus 12,500. Then look 60 0 what is answer here? 4,137 decimal 50. Here compound interest, that is 4,137 decimal 50. Then next find out the difference between compound interest and simple interest. difference between compound interest and simple interest and compound interest. Here look, which interest is big? Here simple interest 4,500 and compound interest 4,137.50. Then which is big? This simple interest is big. So we can write 4,500 minus 4,137.50. Then what is the difference here? 4,500 4,137.50. Then 0 5 2 6 3. Then what is the difference between 300? What is the difference between simple interest and compound interest? 362.50. Then what is the question? You read the question. Who pay more interest and by how much? Here who pay more interest? Here Febina 4,500 and Radha how much rupees? 4,137.50. Then who pay? Febina. Febina pay. Febina pay more interest by how many rupees? By rupees 362.50.